Yeah, so we've been using it for about a year now. As the owner, I use it, and my employees as well. I think it's great because, one, it helps me retain information that we've learned but we forgot over time. But it also helps us keep the new guys coming into the industry or into our company up to date with techniques, procedures, tools, just different aspects of the cleaning industry, as far as carpet and even cleaning a window or sweeping, mopping a floor. I also think I'm going to start enrolling our receptionist into the program. That way she can answer different questions that come across the phone or even in emails. She'll have a better understanding of the industry just from sitting at the computer rather than coming into the field or into classes like this. It gives us a better opportunity to expand. Just even people that know, even the technicians, certified technicians, continue to keep them up to date with the newer information or changing of the industry changes. So it helps them stay fresh with updates. It's very easy to navigate through. Once you understand the system, it's pretty easy to enroll students. It's been helpful for me and my 2 or 3 employees that we have enrolled in it. Favorite feature? Not really sure. I kind of like the like going back and looking at the containments. Sometimes we forget something, so just being able to pull it right up and even in the field or on the phone, pull something up quickly and see before we get to the job something we're gonna maybe we're going to use on that project or something. The videos really help. You could read all day, but if being able to see a video and see it in action really makes the big difference, rather than just reading through a textbook. I believe is probably the best features. The actual video footage, the explanations, things like that. Dude, give it a try. I mean, you can't go wrong. I think it's a monthly thing you could do, right? Or just ask to maybe do a free tour of it or something, because it's going to be beneficial, and it's very cheap compared to going to a class, sending your entire team to a class. They can learn at work, they can learn after work, do it on their own spare time even. Sometimes my young technician, he'll send me something and say, hey, I just completed this module, and say, I tell him, hey, finish 5 or 6 and you get a 10-cent raise or something. You know, it's nothing huge, but learn a little bit, and you're also going to get paid to learn a little bit, so it's nice.